Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you YouTube Music versus Spotify in 2024. So let's get started. So here we are, and the first thing that I'm going to show you are the similarities between YouTube Music and Spotify. In this way you would know what to expect from both platforms. So the number one is they both have extensive music libraries. Both platforms offer over 100 million tracks, ensuring users have access to a comprehensive range of music across various genres. And then number two is personalized recommendations. Each service utilizes sophisticated algorithms to recommend music based on user listening habits. And they both have custom playlists and personalized stations for standard features. And number three is offline listening. So you can download and listen without internet connection, but this is for the paid plans only, so it is not available for free. And now number four is cross-platform availability. So both are available on various devices, including smartphones, tablets, desktops, smart speakers, and web platforms. Both also support iOS and Android. And lastly, they both have ad-supported free tier. So each platform offers a free plan but with ads, allowing users to explore music without a subscription. Alright, so now let's move on to the differences of each platform so that you would know what it does best. So the first up is YouTube Music. So YouTube Music has integration with YouTube. It is ideal for users who enjoy music videos, live performances, and user-generated content. Provides access to official music videos and a wide range of unofficial content. It also has a unique feature, which is a seamless integration with a broader YouTube platform, enhancing the overall music discovery experience. And it also has the leverage of YouTube's vast library to offer unique discovery opportunities, including rare live performances and covers. And it also has the Google ecosystem integration, so it has a strong integration with Google services and devices, making it ideal for users invested in the Google ecosystem. And it also works seamlessly with Google Assistant for voice commands. And for the video content, it offers an extensive range of music videos and user-generated content, providing a rich multimedia experience compared to Shopify. And now let's talk about Spotify. So Spotify has the music discovery and curation. So it is best known for its exceptional music discovery features like Discover Weekly, Release Radar, and Daily Mix. Offers excellent algorithm-driven recommendation and curated playlist. It also has an extensive range of curated playlists for every mood and genre. And the next one is the social features. So it is superior to the social integration with features like collaborative playlist, friend activity feeds, and easy sharing on social media. It allows users to see what friends are listening and engage with their playlist. And now with the cross-platform compatibility, it has a wide compatibility with various devices, including smart speakers, gaming consoles, and more. Spotify Connects also lets you seamlessly switch devices. And now in terms of podcasts, it has an extensive library of podcasts, including exclusive content and original shows, making it a one-stop shop for both music and podcast enthusiasts. And also, it regularly features exclusive podcast content and collaborations. And now let's go into the pricing. So with YouTube Music, these are the pricing of the regular prices. So this is without promos, and you can also avail the student one so that you would get the lowest price possible for an individual plan. And the same goes for the Spotify Premium. You can also do that right here. But with Spotify, there are promos just like this one. You get a 4 months of subscription for the premium one for just the price of 1 month subscription right here. And the prices are right here. So you have 1 day and the individual plan, the family plan, the duo, and the student plan right here. Spotify is slightly more expensive than YouTube Music, but it's not that big of a difference. And they both offer free plan, so you can still go for YouTube Music for free, but this would be with ads. The same goes for Spotify. So yeah, it would depend on which one is suitable for you. And now let's go into the conclusion. So in conclusion, you should get YouTube Music if you want integration with YouTube and the Google ecosystem, and also the video content like music videos and so on. And you should get Spotify if you want the music discovery and the curation and the social features for the social media platforms and the cross-platform compatibility if you want to connect it to the wide variety of device compatibility, and of course the podcasts. So that is basically it for this video. I hope I help you decide in which one you should choose.